Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we're going to be doing a thorough functional test of the application that we've just finished building. Our purpose in this video is going to be to just thoroughly test the features that we've implemented and make sure they work as intended. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how to do this. So on the screen you can see right now I have on one side the actual Cloud Firestore database opened up in Firebase console, and on the other half of the screen I have an iOS simulator running the latest version of the application on the right side, and following that I have an Android simulator running the latest version of the application on the left side. So with the basics setting done, what we're going to do is now go to our Android simulator, and I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in as one of the users. So I'm going to say robert@preneur.com, and then I'm going to say test 1 2 3 and an exclamation mark. With this I'll log in. Once I'm logged in, you're going to see that if I go to users and then chats, that now Robert's activity indicator is showing green, so does on the other side Hussein's as well, because this device obviously is logged in as Hussein, this one as Robert, so you can see that they both are active. And then for Margaret it's red. For now, in the Margaret chat, for example, I haven't sent her any messages. As you can go, if I go to the chats, you can see, and I deleted all of the previous existing data inside of our chats collection just to make everything much more understandable. So what I'm going to do inside of the Margaret chat, if I go to one of the messages, I think this is the chat, yeah, it doesn't have a messages collection, is that I'll send a message. So if I click on typing a message, you're going to see that is activity is set to true, and I can say, hey, how is it going, and then add my question mark and send it. As soon as I do this and I go back, you're going to see that we have messages collection, and now we have the message sent. And if I go back to the conversation that I was having with Hussein and click on there, you're going to see that I have sent a message of hello. And if I go here, you're going to see that I can see that I have sent the message of hello. So I'm going to say, hey, and send it. As soon as I send the message, it automatically pops up here and the time is being displayed as well. I'm going to now say check this out, question mark, or not check this out. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the keyboard on the iOS simulator, and you're going to see that is activity goes to true. If I go back, you're going to see that the activity indicator is showing, and I'm going to add an emoji. So I'm going to say this cool emoji, and then with this I'm going to do Command-Shift-K to close it and add a period and send the message, and it shows up here. Now I'll access my media library, and I'm going to take the same picture that I have, which is this one, for example, and I'll send it, and I'll be like, I got and let me type it, and it's not letting me type because my computer is acting very slow. So I'll go back and come back to the chat. I got a new haircut, and then send it. And with this, I'll just create this artificial scenario in my head where two very famous actors are just talking, and I'm going to say looks good on you, and then I'll send it. And you can see that our UI works on both the different devices. Now what I'll do is that I'll go back, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you that if I go to the Margaret chat and I can see that it's this one, and because we just have one message sent, what I'm going to do is that I'll click on delete. And as soon as I do this, you're going to see that the chat gets deleted and it gets removed from our chats collection as well. So the final thing that I'm going to do now is that I am going to go to users here, and I'm going to go to users here, and I'm going to see in the Android side of things, what user can I talk to. So for now, I'm talking with Hussein. Let's just talk with Brad, for example. So I'm going to log out on the iOS side of things, and I'm going to say that I'm going to enter as brad@preneur.com, and then test 1 2 3 exclamation point, log in. So no chats found. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say chat with Brad, click on that. And you're going to see now that Brad's chats updates, and I can be the first to say hi. So I'm like, hey man, how's it going? And as I type, you can see that the activity indicator is showing as well. So I can say enter, send, and look, if I come here, that's it. Here I can reply saying nothing much. I'm just recording a lecture, and then send it, and you're going to see that we get that here as well. So with that, we've pretty much tested all of the functionality except for the searching part. So on the Android side of things, I'll go into the search bar, I'll type in, for example, George, press enter, and you can see that it tells me who is it, and I can then stop it as well. And that's pretty much all we had to do. So with this, we've completely tested the functionality of our application besides the login and registration page. Obviously, those two things work because we've been extensively testing them throughout the development of our course. So now that we have completely vetted our application and we can see that it works as intended, congratulations on building a fully functional chat application in Flutter with the help of Firebase. I hope this course was valuable to you and you learned a lot of important information from it. If you have the time, please don't forget to leave a review on the course because it helps me as well as fellow students who would be in the know about of like where they should take this course or not. With that said, I hope that you continue progressing in life and continue progressing as a developer. And I honestly believe that this chat application has been structured in such a way that if you want to add features to it, such as having the ability to send video messages or pins, it would be very easy to do so as well. So with that, I'm going to wish you the best of luck on your future endeavors. Stay happy, stay healthy. And as always, if you have any questions, don't forget to either ping me on Discord or send me a question on the official Udemy Q&A section, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. So with that, stay happy, stay healthy, guys, and keep grinding. God bless. Thank you.